What's up guys, I'm Zain and today I'm going to show you best free AI captions and subtitles generator apps. Now first thing you should do is to simply open your Play Store or App Store, whatever device you are using. Then click on search and I want you to download two programs or two applications. The first one is CapCut and you should search for it, then click on CapCut like this and try to download it. And if you have it already, make sure to update to the latest version. And the second application that I want you to download is called Zemo, so you should also search for it, then click on it and click on install or download. And now once you finish, you should now open CapCut and try to search for any video that you want to add the captions to. So now I'm gonna click on edit down below right here, then I'm gonna click on new project, then I'm gonna click on new project, then I'm gonna add this video right here, then click on add, and after that I will split or remove just a small part from the video. I'll just leave the first 16 seconds for example. So now let's go. Here we have the 16 seconds. So I'm going to click on the video, then click on edit, then click on split right here. Then I'm going to delete this part of the video. And here, as you can see, I have this small video. And now what you should do is to click on it, then click on edit, then scroll to the right till you find this option right here, which is called opacity. So click on opacity. Then what you should do is to decrease it till you find this black screen. Then after that, go back and go up right here, click on the quality and decrease it to the lowest quality. Then you should now click on export, and now after exporting the video, click on done. Then now you should open the other application. So I'm gonna click on Zemo, then click on continue with Google. And now what you should do is to simply click on your project right here and now click on allow. Then you should now choose the video that we have exported. So I'm gonna choose this one right here, then click on next. And now here, as you can see, we have added the video. Now it's asking you about the AI captions. It's asking you about the spoken language. The spoken language was the English, and after that you can simply click on recognize. You can also translate the captions, so I'm going to translate it to Arabic for example. Then you can also add elements or do other things, so I'm going to click on recognize, and after that we'll be uploading your video to the internet and it will do like processing to your video in order to get you the captions and also the translations if you want. So now I'm going to add the video that I want, then click on next. And now here, as you can see, I have the captions added. Now what you can do actually is to simply click on any caption and click on edit text. You can edit the text as you want, then click on this sign right here, or you can simply change the style of the font. You can change the text color for example, and so on. And you can also click on templates right here and choose whatever template and animation that you want. You can go to dynamic effect, basic, and you will find many options that you can choose from. So let me try this one right here. As you can see, this one here is very good. And after you finish, you can simply click on export, then click on watch ads if you do not have the pro version of this application. Okay, now guys, I'm just having a trouble exporting the video, but I'll show exactly how to add the subtitle to your video after that. You can simply go now and open your CapCut, and after that you will have to open the video that you want to add the subtitles or the caption to. So now after you open the video and add the video, you can simply click on overlay, then click on add overlay. Then let's choose the video that we have created the subtitle to. You can simply click on it, then click on add and make it down below right here, then click on splice right here. Then what you should do is to click on filter and the subtitle will be shown just right here. You can do whatever thing with it, but here in my case I'm just having a problem. But this is how you can actually add the subtitle to your video, and after that you can simply click on export. And that's all for today. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share, and see you guys in a new video.